Hello everybody! Today I just wanted to do a little try on and swatch party of the Cosmetics True Glosses, specifically the pack that is the Nice List pack. So it's a lot of their lighter, more peachy tone, pinky colors with a couple of like sunsetty reds and oranges thrown in there. I love all of the colors. I love this formula so much. It's very soft, it's very hydrating, and best of all, it's super opaque. So it's essentially like a really hydrating and creamy lipstick. So if you are interested in getting this pack, this might be the video for you. I hope that you really enjoy it. Just sit back, listen to some music, watch me put on some lipstick, and I'll see you at the end. So that was it. Those were all of the True Glosses that are part of the Nice List collection, which is on sale right now for $75 on the Cosmetics website. Each of these glosses costs about $20 US, I believe, but the pack together you get 9 glosses and it costs $75 instead of what would have been $180. So that was it's a good deal, and I paid for this with my own money. Because I really wanted to try the formula, and I knew that I already loved like opaque lip glosses. And I love having color on my lips, but most of the time with liquid lipsticks, I don't like how dry they make my lips. So these were like absolutely perfect. So if this sounds like something that would be good for you, that pack might be a good one to pick up. There's a variation of colors and undertones in there that I absolutely adore. I get my use out of all of them. I love them very, very much. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content and you want to see more of it, please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.